Model, 2014 Mercedes Citan 1091.5 CDI factory-fitted crew cab Dualiner 1 owner with full service history open-mouth smile. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 169613. MOT, 17 May 2024. Engine, 1461 cc 607 DE15LA90 HP. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5.